Hey everyone, welcome back to MLOps. In this video, we'll learn how to get started with Google's Agent Development Kit. It is a framework for developing and deploying AI agents. So as part of this video, we'll be building a multi-tool agent which will be capable of providing you the information about the weather and also the time in a current city. So what we'll do is first we'll be creating a flow like this where you will have a user query which will be sent to the agent, and the agent will decide which of the tool needs to be called. And once the tool calling is done, you will be getting the results which will be sent to the user. So first we'll be setting up the environment, and then we'll go ahead and create the project structure. And we also have to get the Google API key and Google Gemini use Vertex AI or not. That key we have to set, which is true or false, and here we have to set the API key. And then we have to go ahead and use the existing file which is agent.py, and where we'll be having weather tool, time tool, and we'll initialize an agent from ADK with tools and LLM details. And then we can go ahead and run our agent. So let us get started with the setup. So first what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and click Ctrl Shift and approximate button and get my terminal. And here I'll be creating my environment Python 3. I guess I have already created one, so let me see if I can switch to that environment, which is Google. If I go to, it will be under home, my name, and Google ADK. Yeah, so here will have been activate. So this is how you can activate an existing environment where already Google ADK is installed. So if you want to install again, we can do pip install inside this environment Google-ADK. So this will say that it's already been, the requirement is already fulfilled, so you don't have to install again. So everything is fulfilled. So it will just check all the packages that are required, and then we can go ahead and create the project structure. So under Google ADK, we have already everything set up. Now what we'll do is we'll be creating a folder which is multi-tool agent, and inside this we'll be creating init file. So let me go back here. Inside this I'll create underscore init.py, which will turn into your folder into a Python package. So from .import agent or just agent. So this is done. Now what we'll do is under this we'll also create env file. So let it be there, and then we also want to create an agent.py. So first what I want to do is I want to set up, I have to get the API key and store it here. So what I'll do is, what is the name that we have to set? Google API key, and then Gemini use Vertex. So what I'll do is I'll just paste this to here. So here I'll set this one, and I'll set this as false. This is, I guess, inside a string, and I'll get the API key from in a new window which is Google AI Studio. I'll go there and get my API key. So if you see here, right here at the bottom, I have get API key, and from existing project I want to get. So yeah, this is the API key I want to pull. I copied it, minimized it, going here and storing it here. So this is saved. I'll close this. So you don't need to copy this API key, you can create your own API key. So I'll be deleting this API key since it is exposed to everyone. So what I'll do is now I have set up my API key also and set up my init.py. Now I just have to copy the agent.py content. So inside this file I have my agent content code for building the tool and making the call to the LLM. So here I'll just minimize this. Let's understand what it contains. First we are importing date time, since it is a date time tool that we are creating. So we are importing date time, zone info for understanding the zone where you're present, and then we are importing agent So let me save this. And here I have first function, which is the tool, which is get weather, which takes in my city name, and the return type is dictionary, which is a JSON. And here we are passing the details what this function is supposed to do. And if the city is New York, we get the success message and we get the current status of the weather in New York. And then otherwise, if it is some other city, then you will get an error. And then similarly for get current time, we are checking the current time of the New York city, and if it is not New York, we throw an error, and we pass all these details and get the response, whatever it is. Now once that is done, we have to initialize our agent, which is agent, where the name of the agent is weather time agent, and the model that we are going to use is Gemini 2.0 Flash, and the description for the agent is agent to answer questions about time and weather in a city. The instruction that you want to give to the agent is, you are an helpful agent, you can answer questions about time and weather in the city. And this is where you connect your agent with tools, which is get weather and get current time, and this is your total definition of agent, which is the root agent, named as root agent. So I'll save this file. Now what I'll do is, so since we are here, I'll go one step back here, and if you see here, right, not here, it's in the readme file. So here you will notice we have set all these things, we have created all this folder structure is done. Now this we have defined weather tool, time tool, and initialize the agent with tools and LLM details. Now we just have to run the ADK on top of this, our multi-tool agent. So run ADK run multi-tool agent. So this will start and create your multi-tool agent, and where you can start querying to this agent. So this is taking some time, so let us wait for a few seconds. So yes, it has executed and it is running now. The agent is up and running. So what is the first question that we have to ask? So let me pull this up, and we'll ask, what is the time in New York? So this will go ahead and call a specific tool, which is time tool, get current time, and for the specific city, it will get the specific time. Now this is the 22nd November and it is 1:13 EST. Now what is the time in, maybe Chennai? So it will probably send an error, because it will get this location, but it will say it is not equal to New York. So it will throw that specific message, which is, sorry, I don't have the time zone information for Chennai. Now what is the weather condition in New York? So we'll get the corresponding information from this tool, which is 25 degrees Celsius and 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So what is the weather condition in Mumbai? So the idea is, it is not that it is able to get this information, it is more about it is able to understand this query, okay, and it is able to select the specific agent and get the corresponding response. That is the main detail that you have to understand. And when you see the code, if I just can minimize this. So if you see the code, when you want to create an agent like this, okay, it is pretty simple. You just have to create multiple functions for your whatever the tools that you want to add, and with the help of this just simple initialization, where you can pass the tool details and get the instruction passed to the agent, and it will behave accordingly. So this is much more simpler to build, I guess. So with this, I'll be concluding this video. Thank you for watching.